Today we'll be looking at all the questions before us, and all these questions are from the Neco mathematics, the past questions. Now, the question number 1 says, arrange the fractions in ascending order. What they mean by ascending order, from the smallest to the biggest. So the first fraction here is a 5/12. What I love doing is divide everything. Okay, convert everything to decimal. 5/12 will give us what? 12. Can 12 goes in 5? No. 0, add 0 to this becomes what? 50. Now 12 goes in 50, that will be 4. No, that will give us 48. 48 from 50, okay, 50, 48, we have 2 left. Now, if you add 0 to it, you have 20. 12 goes to 20 will give us 1. So let us stop there. Let's take the second fraction, 3/10. Let's convert it to decimal. Can 10 go in 3? No, 0. Now add 0 to this, you have 30. 10 goes to 30 will give us 3. Now the next one is 3/5. Now 5 goes in 3, no. Decimal point, add 0, you have 30. 5 goes in 30 will give us 6. Now the last one is 2/5. 5 cannot go in 2, you write in 0, put decimal point, add 0 to this, you have 20. 5 goes in 20 is 4. Now let's look at all the numbers that we have. Now they all have 0. And after the 0 we have a decimal point. After the decimal point, the first digit. Let's look at the first digit. Okay, we have 3 here, and all these ones are bigger than 3. So the smallest fraction here is 3/10. Now we have taken this one, we have this left. Now we have 0.4 is 0.4. After 0.4, what do we have here? Nothing. So followed by 2/5. Now after this one, we have 0.41 and 0.6 left. So 0.4 is smaller than this. So we have 5/12. And the last number is 3/5. And that's the end of that question. Now, question number 2, we have 3 students, and the 3 of them, they are to share 30,000 naira. The 3 of them are to share 30,000 naira. So, amount to be shared, the amount to be shared is 30,000 naira. And we have Mary, ratio Alex, ratio Janet. 1:2:3. Now we want to get how much does Alex collect? How much does Alex collected from the money? So we need to find the sum of ratio, and the sum of ratio is 1 + 2 + 3, and that should be 6. So we are looking for the amount that Alex will collect, and Alex is 2. So Alex here is equal to 2/6 multiplied by the amount to be shared, which is 30,000 naira over 1. 6 goes there 1, 6 goes in 30 is 5. So we have to multiply by 5,000 naira. And 2 times 5,000 naira will give us 10,000 naira. So from 30,000 naira, Alex should collect 10,000 naira. Now let's look at the third question. Calculate the area of a triangle whose height is 8 centimeter and the base is 6 centimeter. The area of a triangle like this, the height is 8 centimeter and the base is 6 centimeter. So the area of a triangle is half base times height. or you can just say BH over 2. Now the base is 6 centimeter multiplied by the height, which is 8 centimeter, all over 2. 2 goes there 1, 2 goes in there 6 is 3. So we have a 3 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter length. And 3 times 8 will give us 24 centimeter square. Now that's the end of question number 3. Now let's look at the final question. What do we have? We have an equation and we have to find the value of x. The equation is 5x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 12. So what do we do from here? We collect the like terms. We collect the like terms. And the last question is find the value of x in the equation. And the equation is 5x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 12. From here, what do? We collect like terms. So when we collect the like terms, we have 5x. This one is plus. When you bring it here, it will change to minus. Minus 2x equal to 12. And minus 3 is here. When you take it to this side, it will change to plus 3. We have 5x minus 2x will give us 3x equal to 12 plus 3 will give us 15. From here, to find the value of x, we divide both sides by the quotient of x, which is 3. So we have 3x over 3 equal to 15 over 3. So 3 we divide 3, we are left with what? X equal to 5. And we have come to the end of today's teaching. So in our next class, we will continue from this question, and we will also look at other questions. Thank you very much.